Question 5.6, Maths utility function is min of x comma 4y plus z, u equals to min of x comma 4y plus z. The price of x is 1, the price of y is 4, and the price of z is 7. So the price vector is 147. So this is the price vector 147. Okay, how many units of x does MAT demand? All right. So firstly, let's break down this particular thing as a composite commodity K. Okay, so let's say you can build 1 unit of K with either 1 by 4 units of Y or 1 unit of Z. So the amount of K that you have, K is some composite commodity, the amount of K that you have is basically 4 times amount of Y plus amount of Z. So this utility function becomes min of x comma K. Alright, now let's focus on K. Okay, price of Y is 4 and price of Z is 7. Okay, so in order to construct K, either I require 1 by 4 units of Y or I require 1 unit of Z. So what is the cheaper way to produce K? If I produce K using Y, then price of K will be equal to price of Y upon 4, because 1 by 4 units of Y can produce 1 unit of K. So if I just buy 1 by 4 units of Y, it's going to cost me Py upon 4. So with Py upon 4 amount, I can produce 1 unit of K. So the price of K becomes Py by 4. So if I use Y to produce K, the price of K becomes Py by 4, which is going to be equal to Py by 4 is 1. Okay. On the other hand, if I use Z to produce K, so 1 unit of Z produces 1 unit of K. Okay. So in order to produce 1 unit of K, I need 1 unit of Z. So price of K will be equal to price of Z, which is equal to 7. Okay. So bottom line is, I am saying there is some composite commodity K which can be produced either using Y or Z. Now if I use Y to produce K, the price of K turns out to be 1. If I use Z to produce K, the price of K turns out to be 7. So obviously the cheaper way to produce K is using Y. Okay, so I'll just say that I'm going to use good Y to produce good K, and the price of good K becomes equal to 1. Okay, so now come back to this particular utility function. So my utility function is min of x comma K, where price of x is given to be 1 and price of K I have deduced to be equal to 1. Okay, so both the prices are 1. So this is a simple perfect complement situation where you have two commodities both priced 1. So how many units of X does MAT demand? So what is his income? His income is price of X, price of Y, income is 8. Okay, so his income is 8, price of X is 1, price of K is 1. Okay, so in perfect complements case, utility function equals to min of x comma K, x comma K. We had demand function x star equals to I by px plus py. Okay, इसको कैसे solve करते थे हम लोग? We used to say two things. First is x should be equal to K. Second thing, pxx plus pyy should be equal to I. So substituting this here, sorry, this should be K, pkk. Substituting this thing, let me erase it, pk into K. Substituting this thing here, you will get p x plus pk times x is equals to I, which implies x should be equal to I by px plus pk. So that is what I am going to use here. So the amount of x is going to be equal to 8 upon 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So that is my answer, 4B.